Hey guys, it's Neil here. We wanted to do a thank you to all of our awesome subscribers that are out there on YouTube and who have been following us on social media. Our channel has grown a lot this year. We gained 600 subscribers today, and we want to do a thank you to all of our subscribers and all the people that have been giving us feedback. You probably saw the video that Greg did about the TUL Notebook system. We wanted to give away a TUL Notebook system. This is totally unrehearsed. We got UPS driving by. But we wanted to give away a TUL Notebook system. So me and Abby are here at Office Depot. We're gonna go in and we're gonna buy everything you need to create your own TUL Notebook system. So come on in. All right, so we're in Office Depot. We're gonna go down to the tool section and we're gonna set up everything that you need for your entire toolkit. We're gonna get pens, highlighters, Sharpies. We're gonna get books. Here's some of them right here.
Right here. Boom.
Thinking like one of the big ones and then like one of the small ones, right? That'd be enough for somebody to like, kind of like get things going.
Like black?
Yeah, like something.
Keep it neutral?
Something neutral, like a black. This one's the other one.
Oh, wow.
I'm buying this for myself. So we're gonna get a black one here. This has a full note kit system in it, which is really, really awesome.
So what does that mean? Just like note.
This is all the notebooks. Yeah, this is just
lined paper.
The lined paper,
okay.
Yeah. I say for the small one, we get the calendar inserts.
Okay, yeah.
Instead of doing it for both, we'll do like,
yeah.
What do you want to do for the small one? Should we do
what
like,
colors they got?
We got black.
Maybe.
We got this weird thing.
It's like a girly.
I like a gray. I really like
that's
that gray
cool.
one.
Little like snake skin action.
Yeah, we got some snake skin action going here, as Abby says. So this also comes with your line paper, but we're gonna get the calendar inserts for this one. Okay, change of plans. The big one is gonna have the full weekly, daily, yearly planner system. So we're gonna put that one in there.
Well, not daily.
What's that?
It doesn't have daily in it, does it?
Well, yeah, it's got little things for each day of the week.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah,
okay.
like this is what I have right now.
Okay,
it's
cool.
Awesome. All right, let's see here. How about we get the starter kit for the junior size?
Okay.
All right, this is gonna have tabs, stickies. Now, Dad's favorite is the storage pouch, right?
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
That's for the big guy?
Yeah.
Let's see, the 1-inch discs, how big is that? Oh yeah, we definitely need 1-inch discs, at least. Okay, good. What else should we get, Abby? Obviously, we're gonna get pens and all that kind of stuff.
So we already have stickies?
We got a small batch for this one, yeah. We got some stickies in here. What about... All right, you're gonna get a task pad. Don't know what it is, but it's awesome.
It's like for your to-do list.
Now, by the way, this is not sponsored by TUL at all. As you can see, we're actually in Office Depot filming on an iPhone, right? So this isn't sponsored. We're buying all this stuff and we're gonna have a lot.
Hashtag not sponsored.
That's right. But if you're watching TUL, we would love to do a sponsored thing with you.
What are these fun things?
I don't know, actually. That's what I'm
Are these
looking at.
dividers?
Dividers?
Oh, they're covers.
Yeah. Here's the dividers.
That's kind of cool. So guys, you can get your own cover. If you don't like what we got you, for like 12 bucks, you can get a different cover.
Those? The colors are all like interesting.
Interesting.
It's either just like a gray or like a really pale color.
Definitely get that one your hand is on.
The small one?
Yeah, for the little guy.
All right, little
that has
guy.
like colored divider tabs.
Yeah. See, that's what I want for the big one, but they don't really have that. We're gonna get these two.
Okay.
We're gonna add to this.
Okay.
There we go.
Good. Right.
That's way better. Okay, good. So now we gotta show them the pens.
Oh, the pens.
The pens are the best part. So these highlighters, amazing. We're gonna get a pack of highlighters. All right, they last a long time. The color is vibrant, stays that way. Oh, wait a minute, Abby, we might be in trouble. They're coming out with new stuff
Ooh, what is that?
time.
It looks so cool.
I need one of these. This is dangerous. don't know. What do you think? This
What is it?
It is a organizational insert.
But like, what do you organize?
Daily calls to make, emails to send. Dad needs this.
This is really cool.
Yeah.
We should get an extra one for him.
Yeah. The big one?
Small one for him.
Getting the last one.
Okay, how much money have we spent? Because I'm trying to keep in a budget here.
I know, you're the accountant. Okay, well we need to get...
Did you get pens?
No, we need to get at least one box of pens, right?
Yes.
I am a big fan of the fine tipped pens. So we're gonna throw those in there. Like a box like this of the gel.
Mm. Ooh, we should get these highlighters. It's different colors.
Oh, okay. Swap these out. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, I see. I was just seeing this side.
Right.
I thought it was orange. I'm gonna buy a box of those for me too. So one of these, I guess we'll just get one of these. This is the only size that they have. All right. Okay, good. Okay guys, I think we're good. We got all the cool stuff. We really got something for each one of these things. We got awesome Sharpies, awesome pens, even more awesome pens. We got your divider tabs. We got your organizational book, big and small. We got dividers, big and small. We got task pads. We got a pouch to store all your cool stuff in. Your starter kit, tabs, extra notepads. We got an awesome silver binder, more dividers. Your weekly calendar tabs and to-do lists.
Look, there's so much, it's falling off.
And your gigantic big pad. So we are gonna go check out and see how much all this costs. All right guys, so we just got out of Office Depot here. $138.02. Not bad for our first giveaway. We want to be doing a lot more stuff like this. So all you have to do is click in the description of this video down below. It'll tell you how you can win. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow the links, and you can be a winner of all this stuff. We're gonna give it out. The contest will end February 3rd. We're gonna do a live stream of the announcement of the winner February 4th. So stay tuned, we will keep you updated, and we're gonna go back and get all this stuff ready to send to you.